one's the first one you want?
Probably the middle one. Or a little in front of that. You can go a little in front of that.
Then it turns to curve.
Yeah, okay, all right. The louvers don't like curves. Yes, it's gotta be perfect.
It isn't.
First one's gotta be perfect.
It isn't.
Hold it, hold this. All right. It's after we get the first one.
Yeah, this still not fucking. Got here, here. Yeah, this ain't perfect. Not whatsoever. Pull back a little bit. This is not good. Let me put another line right next to that one. See all this garbage?
Yeah, I do.
So we're gonna go put another line in front of that one, because that's not the one that reaches.
After we do the first one, we slide them right in the same hole.
Yeah, that's not helping at all.
No,
That's our line,
that's it?
according to the louver. The blade, that's where it's gonna cut, right there.
Well,
But I wish this one's offset.
don't worry
But
about
don't
that.
worry,
That fucker
the
ain't.
first one is the first one.
First one's the first one, and after that, we just drop them in there and I push them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's in the right spot.
Wow.
Now we're tweaking, don't know why. We're tweaking because we're not flat. Now we're flat.
Okay,
Forget this line now.
all right, I'm just gonna hold it here. I can feel it in there now. Wait a minute, That's good.
That's good.
Take it down.
Wow.
Good.
Yeah, but we're getting, no, we're not going up. Yeah, we're going up a little bit. This is fucking us up. But
It's gotta fit in that goddamn hole.
it is in the hole. Maybe we should start making more marks for reference, so we don't fuck up for too far. You know what I mean?
Well, you can
Lines
see
and
the
lines and
right?
lines. That would be the perfect 90s. So we can.
I think I got it in there now.
All right. So, and we gotta make sure we don't do this too much, because we don't know where we're going with that one.
As long as that thing comes down near the,
Near the end. We need a better guide than this block of wood.
yeah, oh, it's coming up or not? No, it looks the same.
It's coming down a little. This
Okay,
came down a little.
I pull it against the front of it, so just go for it. Let me see if I can do it now. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fuck. Wait a minute.
Oh, that's way out.
Wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
That was way the fuck up.
Yeah, because we got too far from the block of wood. Yeah.
Cocksucker.
So we keep sucking down this way. It makes it go high. So we gotta.
No, it's way.
And also, hold on a minute.